Tired of AI image generators that never get your prompt right? This one nails exactly what you imagine. Introducing Rev Image. Rev is a next-gen AI image generator designed for high prompt accuracy. If you've struggled with AI ignoring details, this tool is built to fix that. Now, how does it work? Type exactly what you want: colors, mood, style, and Rev model follows your description with precision. For example, I type here, add some grass and wildflowers, and I add an image. I then click send, and after you create your account for free, Rev Image is creating what exactly you asked it. And you can see the image I want it to be remixed, the command I gave, and you can see that Rev is working on it with actually great success. I don't need to redo it. I don't need to discard and go all over again. The result is actually like I imagined it. And of course, you can even bring it further. For example, maybe I want to add a hiking trail with people walking. I can click that and send, and Rev will start adding that to my image. And it supports multiple styles, including realistic, anime, fantasy, and cinematic. With Rev, you can refine images iteratively, keeping key elements consistent while improving details. You can see it added the hiking trail with people, and it's like I took this image. This is built for creators, marketeers, and designers who need reliable output. And why Rev is different? Because its top feature is prompt adherence. Your results look like what you actually asked for. And you can see it by yourself with what I asked it right now. It saves you hours of regenerating or editing images manually. And you can click the link down in the description and create your account today. And you may be thinking, okay, how can I use this? This is great for ad creatives, concept art, and product mockups. It includes upscale and variation tools for higher quality. It has a rapidly growing user base, and it's gaining attention for professional projects. And here is another example where I chose this image. It's a dynamic motion blur cityscape shot. And I said to Rev, add a car in it. And Rev is actually working now to add the car into this image. And I can even see the thought process Rev is going through. And here is the end result. Give Rev Image a try. See your exact vision come to life with just one prompt. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.